Today I'm gonna show you 3 little things I added to my closet to just elevate it and make it more up to date. So hi, my name is Linda, and if you're new here, welcome, and have you been here before, welcome back. Today we're doing a vlog, and I'm also gonna share with you 3 things I added to my wardrobe. If you've been following me, you know I'm working on my capsule wardrobe, and I'm not so fond of adding stuff because I want to keep it simple and minimal, and I have clothes pretty much all over the place. But I decided to go a splurge, not splurge, it was pretty basic things, but small stuff that just make my closet feel a little bit up to date and look stylish. The first thing I bought was these are Stradivarius sneakers, and I actually wanted the Samba in these colors, the Adidas. Couldn't find them anywhere, so I thought I could try this brand. It's a Barcelonan like minimal brand, and actually these are really comfy. They are really squishy here in the bottom, so can highly recommend them. They are super comfy, and it's like a third of the price of a Samba. Actually I did size down for these. I bought them on ASOS. I bought them first in a size 40, which is my size, but I needed to size down to 39. These will be a perfect complement to my collection. I love the autumn colors, and this is really one of my colors, so beautiful, and I will use them with my Chloe bag. Will be perfect. Next up is another burgundy, and it's just a sweater. It's kind of cropped, but not really. It's a shorter version than a normal size, but it's not cropped like showing your belly or anything. This one is from H&M, and I thought it was beautiful, and it will go really well with the sneakers. Just, you can add pretty much anything you want. So last piece, the long leopard print skirt, and it's in like silky material. It's lovely. I do have some animal printed like dresses and stuff, but I really like this larger print with the dots. So this will be lovely, and I can easily pair this with this sweater. So stylish. And this is also one thing to really elevate my closet. 3 basic simple little stuff, and it looks like you have a whole new closet. So, and the skirt is from Lindex. So just open this. If you talk about Swedish candy, you need to try this. It's like a, you see, like a squishy. It's so good. It's made from nuts and sugar. Don't we love some Swedish candy? So if you can get a hold of this, this is so good. It's like peanuts and cacao and hazelnuts and sugar, a lot of sugar. But this is good stuff. So right now I'm sitting here reading this book, and it's for my Yin yoga practice, and today I'm reading about the fascia, and the fascia is like a big organ that is all over under the skin, and you need to keep it, exercise it to keep it soft and flexible. And now I'm going to read a little bit about how it works and all with, yeah, everything about it. Whoa. I just got some nachos here. So so I got some questions about this little camera. This is my new Osmo Pocket 3 DJI camera, and I haven't been using this as much as I first thought, but I will do. Look at this. It's super easy. It's with a gimbal, and it also has a microphone, and that's just perfect. But you need some time to adjust to the gimbal to get it all right. You know, I have a vlogging camera here. Now I'm filming on my big camera. I have my other vlogging camera here. You know, this one is so easy just to grab and just up and start recording. With this one, it's supposed to be simple as well. Just get it going, and then we can have, I believe there. Now it's filming me. So it's pretty easy. But anyway, I haven't gotten into using this as much. I will absolutely do that, and yeah, now I have both this, but I can't have a microphone on this because this is the Mark II. So that's why I was opted to get a new vlogging camera, and I thought about this. And this was actually it was Eva in the City. She got this. I saw a video with her, and she was just filming. The camera was just swooshing after her by the sea, and you can also hear her voice during the time, and it was with the microphone. So she attached the microphone, and then you have quite a long range for this camera. So I was all hooked. It's so cool. You can just stand it and it will follow you, and you can talk during time. With a camera like this, I need to be like close to the microphone. The microphone is here, so it doesn't give so much flexibility. And with this large camera I'm filming on, it's my Canon 80D. I have a big Rode mic on top of it, so that works out really nice. Okay, I won't be blabbing around. I see you in a bit, okay? Oh my god, time flies when you are having fun. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it, you can also like and share this video with your friends. It would really make my day. So as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are, and I really hope to see you soon again. So bye bye!